Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 8th, 2020, the fourth Sudoku, 4 out of 7, so we have 4 Sudokus to go. This one will be number 1, 7, 1, and 9. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I have counted, and this one has 24. You can check if this is correct. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I use. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 7, the 6, and the 1. And look, we have a 1 and the 6 here, so no 1 and the 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. So one box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then, 2, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. The 6 and the 5 goes there. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row. 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these two boxes. There 3. No 3 in those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in one of these two boxes in the last column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then in this big square, wait. In this big square, in this big square, one of the missing number in these 5 boxes is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of these two boxes. In the last row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see these two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there in this big square. So 6 goes here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And then 5 and the 6. Two numbers left in the second column for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark them. It's a pair. One number left in this big square for the number 7. These two boxes in this big square should be the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So, and now, these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 2, the 7, and the 4. 2, 7, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 here. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you. So one box left should be the 4. One box left in this big square for the number 6. Then 2, 4, 7. All right. 3, 3, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All right. Let me think. 2, 8, 6. These two numbers then in this column, the 1 and the 6 are missing. And we have a pair, 1 and a 6. 1 and the 6. Let me mark them, 1 and the 6. That means those 3 missing numbers are the 5, the 7, 5, 7, and the 4. 5, 7, and the 4 are missing. Yeah, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. Here, 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there in this row. So the 5 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in this big square, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. All right. 5. 5. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. 6 and a 1, 6 and a 1, 6, 1 and a 5. 6 and a 1, 6, 1. I need a 2. Alright. 2 and the, yes. This row, 2 missing numbers. The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. These 3, 8 is missing, 4 is missing. We see here 4, we see there 4. So no 4 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 4, should be there. 2 boxes left, the 8 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to mark them. 8 and 6, alright. 2 boxes, no. 8, 6 and I need a 3, no, 3, 2, 2. I need a 2 here. Here I need a 2. Alright, then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. So we have here the 6 and the 1 left, 2 and a 3.
喂，你做邊樣㗎嚇？又睇電視又整呢啲，咪嘥晒我啲電。刪得徹底啲啊！唔該你。Het is nog niet dicht hè.
Six and a 5. Still cannot fill this yet. 6 and a 5. 6 and a 1, 6 and a 1 as a pair. Let me think. 4, 4, 4. Are the 4s used? Yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see, yes. The 4. How about the 5, 5, 5? 5, 5, 2, 2, 6, 1, 6, 1, 5. 5 should be here. 6, 1. Yeah, complicated. These two numbers in the second row, the 5 and the 1. 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. No. I think I need to mark some boxes. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, only 3 places for the 8. Here, or there. We see here, and I know 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Same with the 2 in this column. Oh, yes. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There, 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. So the 6 and the 1 are left. 6 and the 1, nope. 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. 6 and the 1. 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 6 and the 5. 6 and the Here. No 6 here. No 1 there. These 3 missing numbers, 1, 6, and 5. 1, 6, 5. Still cannot fill this yet. Here we have a 6, so 1, 5. 1, 5. Here we have a 5 there, so 6, 1, 6, 1. 6, 5, 6, 5. 1, 5, 1, 5. Alright. 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. These boxes could be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, middle column. Column next, here could be a 3, or there could be a 3. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, only 3 places left for the 5. Here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. Well. I need a 1 here in this row. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2. 2 could be here, could be there. So 1, 2, 3, and the 6 is missing. Here cannot be a 6. Here we have a 6. Yes, we have a 6 in one of these 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be an 8. 6 in one of these 2 boxes. In this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, these 2 boxes could be a 6. Alright. So we have an 8 now. So I have marked those 2 boxes with the 8. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. So this box should be the 8. So 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yes. So all the 8s are used. All the 2s are used. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. No. The 2. We have a 2 and a 3. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 3. So now we have a 2, 8. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And 2 boxes left. The 6 and the 1. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 is there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. And then now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1. 6 and 5 are left. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 2 boxes left. 6 and the 5 and the 1. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, and 1 box left for the 6. Yes, finish in 18 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. I have solved this within 20 minutes, so it's not really a 4-star Sudoku. I rather think it's a 3-star Sudoku. Anyway, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 3 last Sudokus, a binary and a tectonic. Two Sudokus with tectonic. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.